So you want free money? How to snag the Sofi $300 bonus. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fintech and a hot offer that's been buzzing lately, the Sofi $300 direct deposit bonus. Let's face it, who doesn't love free money? Especially when it comes to boosting your bank account. But before we jump in, have you ever wondered how exactly these online banks entice you to switch? Well, that's where bonuses like Sofi's come in. They're a way for these new age financial institutions to compete with the traditional banks and get you to explore their services. So, is the Sofi bonus worth it? Absolutely. But there are a few things you need to know to snag that sweet $300. That's why I'm here today, to be your guide on this Sofi bonus adventure. Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1. Becoming Sofi eligible. Not everyone gets a party invite. First things first, Sofi isn't throwing this party for everyone. There are a few eligibility requirements. You gotta be a new Sofi member, or an existing member who hasn't used direct deposit with Sofi checking and savings before. If you've already set up direct deposit with them in the past, you won't qualify for this specific bonus. Step 2. Sign up for that Sofi checking and savings account, your money mansion. Alright, so you're Sofi eligible, awesome. Now, you need a Sofi checking and savings account. Signing up is pretty straightforward, you can do it all online. Think of it as building your money mansion, a place to park your cash and watch it grow, hopefully. Step 3. The direct deposit dance, the key move to get your $300. Here's where the magic happens, the direct deposit. This is what Sofi wants to see, your paycheck or recurring income flowing into your Sofi account. Now, there are two bonus tiers here, so listen closely. Tier 1, the $50 high five. If you set up direct deposit and receive at least $1,000 but less than $5,000 within a specific 25-day window, Sofi calls it the evaluation period, you get a cool $50 bonus. Think of it as a high five for trying. Tier 2, the $300 big kahuna. This is where things get exciting. If you can swing it, aim for the big kahuna, the $300 bonus. To get this one, you need to hit at least $5,000 in total qualifying direct deposits during that same 25-day evaluation period. Step 4. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to free money. Alright, you've signed up, set up direct deposit, and hopefully hit your target amount. Now comes the waiting game. It can take 2 to 4 weeks for your first direct deposit to hit your Sofi account, and then another 7 business days after the 25-day evaluation period ends for Sofi to credit your bonus. So, a little patience is key. Bonus tips: keep your eye on the prize, maximizing your Sofi experience. While the bonus is the star of the show, Sofi offers other perks. Their checking and savings accounts have no monthly fees, and they even pay you interest on your deposits. Plus, Sofi allows you to manage your investing and loans within the same platform. Pretty convenient, right? So, is the Sofi bonus worth it? Absolutely. This is a fantastic way to get some free money just for switching your direct deposit. Whether you go for the $50 or aim for the $300, it's a win-win. Just remember the eligibility requirements, those deposit amounts, and the waiting period. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your finances fit and those wallets happy.